Let's go over resonance, and specifically resonance structures. So what resonance structures are, they are Lewis structures that can be drawn multiple ways and still be a valid structure. So we'll see how to figure that out. Besides that, I also want to mention that the more resonance structures a molecule has, the more stable it will be. This is going to be very important to keep that in mind all throughout organic chemistry. Something else to note is that we will be talking about delocalization or delocalized electrons. All that is referring to is the ability to move electrons. So it's really talking about delocalized electrons is the ability to move electrons. And that's essentially what we're going to do now. So to figure out the next resonance structure, we have to break bonds and form bonds by moving electrons around. Let's start off with this first one. So of O3, so what we're going to do is